What's up guys, today I'm bringing you guys this tutorial on how to resell. I actually put some glasses on, I'm not gonna lie, because I actually got a bit of a headache from these lights, so let me just do this. How to resell Valentino Cologne. So I actually have had a bunch, but right now I only got one. I got this one, full size one. I got smaller ones of like all of them, but yeah, you guys see this one right here. Now I've had the male and the female ones, different ones, but this is just my review one that I kept, and my personal one, I guess you could say, but it's also just my review one. So you guys see, like, this is the box. It does scan and stuff. You guys can scan like the QR code and like the bottom and stuff like that. Where is it at? Actually, am I tripping? It's on this, oh, it's on the back. There we go. Boom. You guys can actually scan it. And just in general though, like the box itself is good, and it came with good packaging, good bubble wrap and stuff. And then you guys can see right here, this is what this looks like. And you open this up, has a good cap. This right here, and then if I spray it, I've already tested this a few times for a full day, and it does last. I'll say that right now. It smells good. I don't know if you can tell how much I've used it, but I used it a few times, a good amount of times already. It smells pretty good as well. Actually, I could probably lift upside down. You guys can kind of see. I don't know how well that does it though, because obviously it's going to the top then, but you guys see that's how much is empty out of it at the bottom at least. And also I think there's like a good little space. Yeah, there's a good little space where it doesn't really do anything, but I use a decent amount. I use like almost one full square, I would say, of the bottle, but it is good. But that's just the review section of this video. It does last long and all that kind of stuff. It's gonna be good for reselling. But if I go ahead and make myself smaller here, you guys are gonna see, we go down here to the cologne section. This is where the vendor is. Now there is a Valentino link, but it might be dead right now. Let me see. Oh, it's not? Okay, good. So there's a bunch of stuff here. Now there is United States shipping, but if there's something that's not available, just click on China. There you guys go. Now the difference of the price is literally none. Like, I don't think there's any difference in the price at all. It's gonna be the same regardless. You can see there's a bunch of different ones for Valentino. This is obviously the one that I just have right now in this video, but there's like the female ones and stuff like that, the Donnas, and then there's all the other male ones as well, and all the other Donnas you can resell. You can go crazy. So for example, if you're trying to resell the one that I have, like, you know, in my hand right now, you guys can go with China. It's not available for United States right now, so just pick China. It doesn't matter. It's $31 for one. Now if you're going to resell, you can always get 12 and save $3 each. It's 285 bucks. You get 12 of them things. You can go crazy. That's up to you if you do that, but just in general, I always recommend getting in bulk. It has a lot sold, has a lot of reviews, and does last long. Now it doesn't have logos and stuff like that in the images, just because of the fact that, you know, that's how it is. And you guys see the reviews if you guys want. It's just, you know, how it is, so they don't get taken down and stuff. You guys should know that by now at this point, but if you don't, it's fine. So here's the thing, all right? If we look at Valentino, is pretty cheap, right? So if we were to search Valentino Intense, like if we did that right now, does that say Valentino ice cream? What the heck? You guys can see right here, or is that the Intense? Yeah, that's the Intense. Okay, so if we went to, I guess, we could just go to Valentino's site at that point. It's 160 bucks, but a lot of times you can get it for cheaper. I ain't gonna lie. Like, it's usually like 100, 120 you can get it for at some places I've seen. Yeah, Sephora 110. Is that the same one? I'm not sure. But anyway, let's just say it's like 100 and let's just say it's 110. Let's just say that, 'cause I even saw $100 there. I mean, you're getting it for 31 bucks. Go on eBay, Mercari, Vinted, Depop, Facebook, anywhere. Go ask ChatGPT and Google what the best marketplaces are for selling things, or for reselling. You can even say that, and you'll find more places to list it. List your items everywhere you possibly can. That's always my like big advice, is just to do that. And then when it comes to like the actual pricing, once again, do your research, man. See what your competition is doing, and you can figure it out. Experiment. Not all the answers are going to be out there in a YouTube video. You're gonna have to experiment yourself. The YouTube videos are really only meant to kind of guide you and give you ideas. They're not meant to answer all of your solutions, like all your questions. They're not meant to give you all the solutions. So you guys can see right here, like, yeah, it's 31 bucks you're paying. There's actually $7 off orders 100 plus, so you get another $7 off right here. You know what I mean? That's a good amount. If you resell, let's open up the calculator. Oh, that's not a calculator. That is that right there. So calculator. So if we were to bring this up to, what would that be? 278. You might have more coupons, but who knows? So 278, right? So let's remember that number, 278. Now if we're selling these for 80 each, you're making $50 profit on each one, right? So 80 times, what is it, 12? Yes, 12. There you guys go. And then you just take away the 278, was it? Yeah, 278. Boom. You made 682 bucks. I mean, you could probably take away that 32 for like fees and anything else that might be going on. Makes 650 bucks. pretty easily by just selling 12 colognes. That's pretty simple. Now that's just lowballing it. You could probably sell it for a little bit more. You could probably sell for like 90 to 100 even, if you could finesse correctly. Also, I will say that you can get free supplies for shipping if you want to ship with USPS. You could do that. You can even have them pick it up at your door, man. You don't have to go anywhere if you don't want to. But I mean, that's going to be it for this video, guys. There's not too much else to talk about. I gave you some good points there, some good, advice, but that's going to be it for this video, guys. Do your own research, because that's going to be the most important part, and I'm out.